Initial D.
Is there any reason why we're doing this 286's race but different? Are we actually doing this again?
Yes, I know we might have done this race before, but this time, we're using our 5th stage's cars, my 86 Trueno, and your 86 Levin, and I have a feeling that this race will be very crazy. Oh, and by the way, my car has been upgraded into a 2-liter engine, so that it's more faster. Maybe it will be even more faster than yours.
Huh. I don't think it's even possible for you to beat me. You wanna know why? Because your car has a 2-liter engine, which it's not that powerful, and my car has a turbocharged 2-liter engine, and it kicks in really quick, so there's no chance for you that you can beat me.
Alright, well, you can prove it, I guess. Let's just get it over with. Babe, you're gonna have to get in my car so that you can watch me what I will do.
Okay, I guess. Sure, why not?
Then let's do this.
Let's turn it up, turn it up, turn it up, turn it up, turn it up. Let's turn it up, turn it up, turn it up, turn it up.
3, 2, 1. Go!
Take me down tonight. Don't you believe it's time? I can be free with you, and you be free with me. Don't you wanna stay? I gotta go my way, and when the rhythm goes, I feel it in my soul. I'm gonna tell you, honey, that can be stronger. Follow me. Don't you wanna run away? Get you now, take you down, gonna be longer. And if you beat it, you'll see my baby. Let's turn it up, give me something.
So great, are you going to be able to pass him?
You'll just have to wait and you'll know what I mean of what I'm gonna do. Just make sure you don't freak out.
Right then.
And be ready for my loving. Let's turn it up, let me call you now by the name of every love. Shake me down tonight.
What? How could he has not been losing distance between me? Is he actually hitting his brakes a bit late just so that he could keep up with me? Well, I'm in no mood for that because he almost touched my bumper. That was a super close one.
Oh my goodness, babe, are you insane? You literally almost bumped him in the rear.
The only reason why it's because I wanted to keep up with him since he has a turbocharger, which I don't have one. Just my single 2-liter engine, but it still might be powerful enough to overtake him at least. So hopefully this will shock you when we get to the last stretch soon.
Let me feel you and be ready for my loving. Let's turn it up, let me call you now by the name of every love. Don't you wanna stay? I gotta go my way, and when the rhythm goes, I feel it in my soul. I'm gonna.
Man, he took a jump. But that's nothing special and it's very risky. So I might not do the same as him just so that I don't crash my car.
If you beat it, you'll see my baby. Let's turn it up, turn it up, turn it up, turn it up. Let's turn it up, turn it up, turn it up, turn it up. Let's turn it up, give me something to be ready for my loving. Let's turn it up, fly on my wings, and you're gonna get my soul.
What did I tell you, Wenda? You don't need to freak out. It was kind of distracting just to try to overtake him and win the race, while you are screaming.
I'm so sorry, Gray, but that was way too close. I mean, didn't you see that he was almost trying to crash us? We were on the outside and we were so close to almost hit the guardrail. And that's the part that freaked me out the most.
Well, none of this matters anyways, so just stay calm and relax. Trust me, I know it's very stressful and hard, but everything will be all good.
Okay, fine, but it's way too hard.
This is it. Only one more turn left and victory is all mine.
He took the outside line accidentally. What an actual shame now, because I will overtake him on the inside on the last turn.
What? How? Is he actually being serious? I cannot believe it that my turbocharged 2-liter Levin has been passed by a single 2-liter Trueno. But maybe there's still a chance that I might make a comeback. I'm gonna kick in my turbocharger and shift it up really hard, so that I can have my biggest chance that I will ever get, but I don't know because it's very near. Come on, don't let me down, my Levin.
Yes. See, I knew I could do it.
Oh God, you gave me a heart attack? I'm so glad that's all over now.
Damn it. I was so close. I really shouldn't have risked myself going on the outside line. But it's all because my car was almost not wanting to cooperate with me. Man. This is getting on my nerves. Oh well, none of that matters though. Well, Gray, I guess you're right.
Well, you should have think twice, didn't you?
Alright, well I gotta go now. So I will catch you guys soon, probably.
Alright.
See you soon, Durple. Baby, you know the drill. Let's have our nice romantic time with us together.
Of course, my precious love.